Hello, research scholars. How are you doing with? So today we are going to discuss about how to write an introduction part for an thesis submission or writing for a thesis. So these are the points need to be covered in an introduction part, and the things have been just given here: topic discussion, scope of the work, literature review, how your work is going to be standing out with compared with the existing or previous work which have been provided by the research scholars, objectives, contributions. So these are the points need to be just intended in an introduction part. We can just see in detail what are all these points are going to be fixed with. So topic discussion. So the reader, see, consider if the reader is from out of your domain. See, consider you have been working with your machine learning project. If the reader is from not from a CS background or from an EC background, or he is not knowing what exactly the machine learning actually means that. So in a first few pages, you need to provide a reader the information of what exactly you have been working with. That information should be from a basic level. So if he is not knowing the subject also or domain also, he need to understand what exactly the person or a research scholar is doing with their respective research work. So that is like topic discussion, scope of a work, where exactly your proposed work is going to be fitted. So where exactly you can use it? See, consider if you are writing a work on prediction of a diseases causing to a apple fruit. So it can be fitted in a commercial basis. It can fit in to the farmers. It can fit in to some of our medical devices or medicinal plants or pharmaceutical what is this companies to give the medicines for the respective diseases. So it can be fit into the farmers who are just growing it. It can be informative and it can be a detectable too. So something like the scope of a work, where exactly the proposed work can fit in an existing systems or in an future versions. So the third point is literature review. The proposed work, what we are just giving with, it need to be compared with the already available existing systems. How things are being just done in that respective domain, and what exactly we are just going to have a contributions. So, or we need to just understand or we need to narrate that. So this is the dead end where the research have been touched with. So from that dead end, we are just going to start with. That is going to be characterized in an objectives. So one person is doing a literature survey means he will be knowing the deadlines, dead ends where the researchers have been reached with. From then they can just start their respective work. Instead of starting from a zero, they can start their work from 60%, 40%, where the previous research scholars have been contributed their work. So here you will be understanding the challenges. What is a research gap? Or what exactly the research peoples have been done in an existing work. So till where they have been reached. So by formulating this, one can just have objectives and we can list those objectives. Consider that we need to have at least three. So the last thing is like thesis contribution in a current subject concern. So what exactly the contributions have been made, or it can be called as novelty as well. So these are all the things need to be written in an introduction starting from topic discussion to contributions. Thank you.